Take your time.
No, I'm gonna cry this whole time. This is gonna be bad.
Woo!
Way to go, girl.
We've got one person on the way. My surgical oncologist, she is on the way, and Misty's going to do a live Instagram video for the people who can't be here, my parents. Where's Misty?
Right there.
Behind you.
We all look the same. or an object.
So I guess here's my phone, and then whenever Mindy gets here, then we'll go live. Sorry. Let me just take it in. I was crying. I couldn't just take it in. So much for being here. I'm gonna say a little something, but I want Mindy to be able to get here. Mark, you said she's on the way?
Yeah, he was texting her on the way.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, so I was really afraid that I would be feeling really nauseous, and I didn't know if I could put together a coherent thought, so I, made some notes, what I wanted to say, 8 pages of them. I know, so we're waiting on Roddy.
Look at Roddy acting like he's trying to work.
He's not looking.
Well, that's because they're in the meeting. We finally managed a connection. We've been trying for about 5 minutes.
Connecting.
It keeps cutting out on us.
Well, we'll just have to video it and send it to
And
you.
I have been videoed.
Okay. Okay. I'm glad I got the initial emotion out because that was really overwhelming. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Nice to be here. Right. Oh my gosh, I'm so overwhelmed. Like I said, I had to make some notes because I didn't know if I was going to feel nauseous or if I could even put together a coherent thought, and I don't know if I can do this without crying, so please bear with me. Believe it or not, I felt more joy over the last 7.5 months than I have ever. And I know a big part of that is because of the people standing in this room, the people that can't be here, they're watching on Instagram and FaceTime and social media, and because of my faith. What's incredible about this group of people is that you guys believed in me even when the statistics said otherwise. And it's incredible and amazing to think about. Yeah, can you turn that down? It's amazing to think about how far we've come. I'm not gonna be able to focus. Yeah, how far we've come in this short period of time in 7.5 months. Since my diagnosis, I've been amazed by the army of people that have just come together to support Mark and I in every way, shape, and form imaginable. And I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't tell you how grateful I am to each one of you, and I'm so thankful to have each one of you in my life. I know I've said this before, I don't feel lucky that I got cancer, but I do feel so lucky that I've been able to experience so much love from all of you guys. I think something like this makes people better. I think it's made me a better person. It's made my faith stronger, and I have all of you to thank for that. I do want to thank some people specifically because I would feel horrible if I forgot someone that helped me get here. My parents, my family and my friends, my new friends, old friends. You all have been so supportive without hesitation, without question, and without ever expecting anything in return, and I'll never be able to repay you for that. To my work family at MMR, I can't say thank you enough. Something like this, it puts into perspective just how special and unique our organization is. I know I'm not the only one who feels this way, but I don't feel like it's just my job. I feel like you guys are my family. And granted, it may be a big dysfunctional family, but it's my family, and I wouldn't trade you for anything. To the doctors and nurses and staff at Marybird Perkins and Women's Hospital, I honestly think I am probably the highest maintenance cancer patient you've ever had, but you've never made me feel that way. Every single person here has gone above and beyond to make sure that I'm okay, that I'm taken care of, and that I'm gonna beat this and get better. I'm not gonna miss chemo, but I'm gonna miss being up here with all of you guys. It's crazy, but I get excited to like come see everybody every week. To my cold cap crew, we made it. 17 treatments. You all took time away from your own lives to put up with me for hours and hours, and I know that's not easy. But I know it's just hair to some people, but the time I've spent with all of you guys has meant so much to me, and somehow you've made chemo bearable, and I just want to thank you guys for that. To my husband, Mark, who's standing in the corner over there.
Yeah.
You've been my rock from day one. You've been with me for every treatment. And you've never complained once. And I realize I've really exploited our wedding vows. And you made that look easy, and I appreciate that. Last but not least, I want to thank God. I'm alive, I'm here, and I'm with you guys. So, when I started this process, someone told me that winning teams know how to do one thing, and that's win. Today is a big win. And I know that we're going to keep winning until we beat this, and this is all behind us. And I love you guys, and thank you so much for being here. So. Y'all can understand that. Ugly cry. Oh, and I want a picture with everybody with their hats on, so I see hats.
Did you hear? She wants a picture with everybody.
The hats on.
Mark, put this one on and get in the picture. What's up, folks? Put that one on so you get in the picture.
Then save, I think, in my video, and then save. Save, frame.
I think she was trying to call.